The first thing we're going to do is set up Docker's ATP repository. So I copied the code from the site and I'm going to paste it in my terminal. That stage complete, we are going to install the latest version of the Docker packages. Packages installed, let's check it out by running the Hello World image. It worked, but if you look closely, this was executed with elevated pseudo privileges. We would like to be able to invoke Docker without having elevated privileges. But if you look at the command now, you will see that without sudo, the image was not executed. So what we need to do is to grant non-root users the right to call up Docker images. First, we try to create the Docker group, and it already exists. Next, we add the user to this group. Next, we activate changes. And finally, we verify whether a non-root user can call up the image. And as you can see, he could. The final part is to get Docker to start on boot. We don't want to have to go and manually switch it on, so what we're going to do is enable the services that are required and verify that they have in fact been activated.